Great Rise. Yeah, man, welcome to the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube. Yeah, man, just giving you a mini vlog, Yeah, day after the rain, and I'm here to check to see what's happening in my herb garden. Yeah, man, so this morning, it's a beautiful morning, and I'm reaping okra. Yeah, man. So, what's new in my garden? Yeah, recently I saw some cowpea. Yeah, man, and it looked good. So I'll show you when I replant these. And I rather plant them close to the fence. Yeah. Also pick some strawberry. Them small, but them nice. Yeah, it's a beauty. So if you are new to my channel, Herbal Laws, we plant herb for teas. Yeah, herb for teas. Yeah, so these are some of the herbs that is in my garden. Yeah, now and again I plant vegetables. And as I say, I reap some okra. So, yeah, man, I plant vegetables. Yeah, fruit and things. Yeah. And even though I like herb for teas, I like at least a beautiful flower in the midst of the garden. Yeah, man, even the butterfly know that. Yeah. So, this is my tamarind tree. Blessings. So you can sow cowpea and reap red pea. Yeah, man. So whatever you sow, that's what you will reap. Sometime in a life, you have to slow down. Because sometimes you're planting and the things, them now come to fruition. And when we say that, it's not even sometime the plant, the seed that you plant. But, our pursuit in life is to be successful. And sometimes the things that we are planting, they are not coming to fruition. Sometimes we are moved too fast. Sometimes we are moved with the crowd. So sometimes we need to step away from the crowd. Yeah, to analyze what is the right thing to plant. Yeah, man. Because whatever we plant, whatever we sow, that's what we're going to reap. Yeah, so sometimes we just need to take a step back, you know, and analyze the seeds that we are planting in our lives. Why are the seeds that I'm planting not coming to fruition? Why the investments that I make is not coming, it's not forthcoming. So sometimes we need to take a step back. Sometimes we need to step out of the crowd, you know, because the crowd distract us sometimes. Yeah. So, sometimes we need to also check our surrounding. The friends who we keep. Yeah, the people who we are associated with. Sometimes the energy not right. You know? And sometimes when we change the surrounding, the energy, You know? Things make a turn for the better. Yeah, man. So, whatever you sow, that's where you're going to reap. Yeah, man. So, sow okra, can't reap tambourine. Sow strawberry, I reap strawberry. So, I sow cowpea now. Yeah, and I'm expecting to reap cowpea. You know? I am not dreaming. So even if I go to bed and dream, see I something else me reap. As long as you know what you sow, that's what you're going to reap. Yeah. So this is not a dream. This is reality. You know, and sometimes we need to change our mindset to reality settings. You know? Prayer without works is dead. You know? So we've been spending a lot of time praying. So now we need to step out. Yeah. Step out and do the thing now. Yeah. God hear the prayer already. Source hear the prayer already. So it's movement time now. And movement time mean you need to sow something, you know? Yeah. Sow something and reap something. Sight, herbal laws.